Why'd you do that to me? It's for hanging out with me. Latest. That was stupid. Hey guys, Ricky here with Apple Valley Farm. Thank you so much for hanging out here with me for a few minutes. Today I've got something really cool to show you. You're gonna love this. Obviously, I'm sitting on a bench right now. This bench is one of our latest projects. It's a reclaimed wood, rustic bench, really straight lines. This is right up my alley, but our customer wanted some additional stuff to go on it. They wanted some of these ornamental straps. Let me show you these. These are the straps. They wrap over the top, and as you can see, there's a hammered texture on these, and this is all done by hand. Now these straps are purely ornamental. They're not actually holding this together, but it sure does look like it, doesn't it? So obviously I can't make these straps, and I couldn't find anywhere to buy these things, so we had to get somebody to make them. Now we've got a blacksmith over in Madison County, Georgia, named Bob Jernigan. Now Bob does beautiful work over there. He's been doing this for a long time, and I wanted to show you how he did what he did. I did some quick videoing of his work as he's going through the process, and I tell you, it was fantastic. It was the coolest, one of the coolest things I've seen, and it was definitely the highlight of my day. Anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna get to the video and let you see how Bob does what he does, and then when we finish up, I'll come back here and I'll tell you how to get in touch with me if you have any questions. Here we go.
I just didn't have quite enough gas. Make it where you can see a little better.
Boy, that is really pretty. Wow. That is something.
That will hold.
Guys, was that cool? I mean, that was just, I loved it. I just loved being there and seeing it and just watching Bob doing all that and the sparks flying and the sounds and it was fantastic, fantastic. Again, this is Bob Jernigan, and he's in Madison County, Georgia. Let me know if you want to get in touch with him. If you need any work done, you definitely won't be disappointed. Email me at info@applevalleyfarmga.com. And if you want to, you can hook up with us at www.applevalleyfarmga.com or on all your favorite social media sites. We'll be there, and hope you'll be there too. Thanks again for hanging out with us. I hope you enjoyed this. I enjoyed it. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.